Hi guys, let's make Nigerian yam with vegetable egg sauce. This recipe is colorful, tasty, and very easy. Let's get started. The ingredients used are yam, eggs, ugu or spinach, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, olive oil, seasoning cubes, salt, curry, and thyme. Place the slices of yam in a pot. You add water and a pinch of salt. Let it boil until soft. That will take around 15 to 20 minutes. While that's boiling, we're just gonna cut up our tomatoes and Scotch bonnet pepper. So I just sliced it up, and then I'm also going to slice up the Scotch bonnet pepper. So while I'm done with that, I'm going to place it in a sieve to remove the excess water from the tomatoes because I don't want the sauce to be watery. Now let's get started making our vegetable egg sauce. So in a pan, you heat up your olive oil, and then you're going to add onions, and then you're going to saute the onions for about a minute until it's fragrant. There's this beautiful scent always brings out. Next, add your chopped tomatoes and Scotch bonnet pepper. You're going to give this a stir to mix it together. Make sure everything is well combined. Now we're just gonna let this cook down for 5 to 7 minutes until it has reduced nicely. Now we go back to check on our yam. Our yam is done perfectly. So I'm just going to bring it down and drain it and then set it aside. Now back to our sauce. I gave it a stir just to help it along in reducing properly. So after a while, you notice it has reduced the way we want it to be, just like that. So now we're just going to add our salt. We're going to add the curry and thyme, and then we're going to go ahead with our seasoning cube. You're now going to give it another stir to combine. Okay, stir it properly to make sure all the spices goes around the sauce, and then we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables. I'm using ugu leaves, but if you can't access ugu leaves, you can use spinach leaves. It's okay. So after this, I'm going to give it a stir. All right, stir gently, not too hard. You don't want it burning, so you stir gently, let it cook just a little. We want the veggies soft but still fresh. Okay, so after a little while, we're now going to go ahead and pour in our beaten eggs. Now we're going to stir this gently until everything comes together and until the eggs are fully cooked. Stir it gently, okay, until it has all come together. Now look at that. That's so rich and so colorful. Now serve the boiled yam on a plate and spoon that beautiful egg and veggie sauce beside it. This dish is filling, nutritious, and perfect. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.